I've been growing my natural hair for 7 years. I just got my first blowout of the season as far as I'm concerned, okay? Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new here. And I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the Kinkistry party, friend. And if you are not new here, welcome back. We're so glad to see you again, okay? As you can obviously tell by the thumbnail, the title of the video, we're getting into this unit, okay? This SZA inspired look. Like, we got the SZA nose contour going on. We got the whole Rudolph SZA vibe going on. We got the big hair. Y'all know SZA loves some big hair. So when I picked out this unit from Kinkistry, all I could think about was SZA. I mean, this is giving SZA for me. So I'm like, you know what? We're gonna do a SZA vibe. Kinkistry did not disappoint. They never have disappointed me. I'm just so speechless. Like, y'all, when I tell you, oh, this hair is so good. This hair is so good. Like, it looks like it grew from my scalp. Matter of fact, it did, and you ain't gonna be able to convince me otherwise, okay? Yeah, I did bleach the knots off camera. I did absolutely no plucking to it. Like, this is literally just straight out the box as far as the hairline. The lace is unclockable, undetectable, completely flawless. Like, baby, this is my hair. I've been growing my natural hair for 7 years. I just got my first blowout of the season as far as I'm concerned, okay? As far as you're concerned. Yeah, this is all me, baby. This is all me. But anyway, if you're interested to see how we got this look, if you want to hear more about this unit, please keep on watching. Like, I'm honestly speechless, y'all. Like, y'all hear me stuttering. I can't even talk straight. Like, I am speechless at how good this unit looks, at how good I look, at how Kinkistry really just did it on us like this. Like, this grew out of, I grew this out of my head. There's no other way around it, babe. Stay tuned, friend. Go ahead and click the subscribe button because you're gonna love it here. Don't play with me. Don't play with Kinkistry. Get into the video. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this wig install. So this wig, as I already said, is from Kinkistry, the best brand in the game for your natural curly textured hair. They have tons of different texture options to mimic natural black hair. I love that for us, like women of color. This one's for you, girl, because you can get whatever texture in the book you want, okay? This particular unit is the Kinknesis texture. Wig itself is 20 inches. The frontal is a 13x4. I'm only using a spray to secure this wig because honestly, that's all it needs. This wig is gonna melt like butter. And don't worry, babe, I have all the details in the description box for you, a link to the website, details on this unit, everything you need, okay? And don't forget to use my discount code BeTheBeat10 to save you some money off of your unit, because when you see the end result, baby, you're gonna be running to the site. Run, don't walk. Okay, and Kinkistry always has a sale going on, so check the site, use my discount code, and save you some coins, girl, okay? Get your unit. She's that girl. Like, look at the lace. It's unclockable. Kinkistry has the best lace. Now, I know y'all remember my really like kinky curly unit I wore not too long ago. Girl, I had people thinking that was my hair. Like, okay, people were asking me, oh my God, your hair is so beautiful. Like, how long have you been growing your hair? People thought that was my hair, okay? Get into it. All right, y'all, so my makeup is done for the most part. Now that we've come to a good stopping point, let's go ahead and, oh, child, let me get in concealer in my wig. Let's untie this so we can see what it's giving. Hopefully it's giving the right things, because I only used like spray this time. Baby, talk about a melt. Talk about growing out of my scalp. Wait a minute. Okay. She's melted, poo. She's melted. Let's cut this lace off so we can, you know, get to going for real, okay? Y'all, this looks so good. Please do not play with Kinkistry. Don't play with me. Like, please don't. Find something safe to do. Find something safe to do, y'all. Because playing with me is not safe out here. Okay? And I'm just spraying my little, like, tip to my thing here. Just to melt down the little bitty corners that, like, came up from when I was cutting the lace. Baby, be for real. Be for real. Girl, please. This is growing out of my head. This is growing from my scalp. Like, Kinkistry has the best lace. Like, I'll literally be having people fooled. Like, please. Okay, let's curl this hair, shall we?
It will be no love. Gonna find out you wasn't even worth my time. Try to act like I wasn't good enough in your eyes. Funny now that you call it, that you bring in my life. What the hell is you bringing my life? Oh, tell me what's changed.
Y'all, these curls are speaking to me, speaking to my spirits. All right, y'all, so I finished curling my hair. Do the big reveal. Oh, ciao. I grew this overnight, and I don't want to hear anything else about it, okay? I don't. I really don't. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I am so impressed. Like, please stop playing with me. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to take this off. Like, I really don't. Like, actually, I can't take it off because I grew it myself. Like, this is not a wig. This is not a drill. This is not a drill, baby. This is not a drill. Please. If we're going to be anything, guys, we're going to be for real and stop playing in Kinkistry space. Because, baby, please be for real. Find something safe to do, poo. Find something safe to do. Let me get some earrings on and... Hold on. Y'all, this install is unmatched. Like, yeah. This hair, I look amazing. This hair is a masterpiece. Like, I honestly am speechless. Look at the lace. Like, what lace? It's you can't see it, y'all. Like, I don't think y'all understand. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please. Like, the scissor nose contour with the scissor curls. Like, be for real. I look amazing. This hair is amazing. Like, the quality, like, it literally, I grew this myself. It's not up for debate. It's not up for discussion. I grew this myself because who can prove otherwise? Like, look at this. Who can prove otherwise? Like, please. It's given, I've been growing my natural hair for 7 years and I just got a blowout. My first blowout of the season. Please. It's giving. That's it. That's all. I don't have anything else to say. Like, I'm honestly speechless. Oh my gosh. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all the things. Shop the link down below. I do have a discount code for y'all. The discount code for Kinkistry's website is BeTheBeat10. So make sure you shop their site. Y'all, I'm just so speechless because I look so good. I can't stop looking in the mirror. I feel amazing. Like, I feel beautiful. Oh my god. I don't think I've ever felt prettier in a unit. Like, because y'all know me, I love my short hair. Like, I feel the prettiest when I'm bald. But this, I don't think I've ever felt this good in false hair. Like this, I feel amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment all the things, and shop the link down below. Go ahead and copy your next Kinkistry piece. And the unit said it all, baby. I can't even say anything else. The unit said it all, okay? Beats and love.